I also see.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Wow, we've got so many participants today.
Ma'am, today we are doing math.
Yes, we all will be doing maths today. And since we have Armstrong along with Newton, we'll be doing some maths today. Okay.
68 page.
Morning,
number.
Ikra. Sorry, good afternoon. So who all do I have today? Let me just quickly see. Wow, that's lovely. What color have you used?
Ma'am, in the kasu I made it half, but I made
It has something to show. So what is it? Please explain.
Look, ma'am. I made it half. I'm even this, ma'am.
Lovely, lovely.
Wow, Hina, that's good.
Yeah, that's very nice. See, Lisa has a octopus to show. We made a octopus today. Bilal, did you get yours?
What, ma'am?
Octopus?
Hinda, are you finishing it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask Amina, where is my
saw.
octopus? She will give it to you.
Yes,
What
yes,
happened to
ma'am.
you?
Where is Amina?
She
Ma'am,
named
she is
her
in class.
octopus to octopus.
Yes, yes.
What
Today,
happened to Abdullah?
yes, Abdullah,
She
what has
named
happened?
her octopus to octopus.
Yes, because it was made up of socks. Abdullah, what is there on your head?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, what
Yes,
is there on
ma'am.
your head, beta? Okay.
Bilal,
So
are
we
you
have.
are looking so stressed.
I am looking stressed, is it?
Yes.
Bilal is looking stressed.
Okay, Bilal always looks stressed. I don't know why.
Robot.
Bilal, you're feeling sleepy today?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, beta? Are you not sleeping well at night?
I only got 7 hours of sleep.
Bilal is not.
Bilal, didn't you sleep properly?
I only got 7 hours of sleep.
Okay, everybody,
Ma'am,
please
can we
mute
play
yourself.
game?
Ma'am, I also made snowman, but I only got 7 hours of sleep today.
Why, beta? What happened?
Because yesterday I went to my sister's.
Okay, you've
some
been
other ID,
somewhere.
and that I for that ID we should have to add some records
And
for
yesterday the pole fell on my head.
What fell on your head? Stone.
Curtain pole fell on my head. Curtain. The
Turtle.
curtain pole. Curtain.
Okay, curtain pole fell on your head. Oh, sad. Okay, so since we have both the classes together, I want to ask Armstrong, what are you doing in maths, Armstrong? What chapter are you doing?
Multiplication and division. Multiplication
Wow,
and
you're doing
division.
multiplication and division. Oh, we are also doing multiplication and division. And since we'll be together for next 2 more days, what are we going to do? For science, I'll take science for both the classes. The only thing is Newton is a bit ahead in the chapter of force. And even Armstrong is doing force with me. So I will continue teaching. And then both will go hand in hand, maths also and science also. As to your teacher is unwell, due to which we are combining classes and taking it together. Just 2 more days and then we will have your teachers back. Okay. So let me share my screen. And
Ma'am, what's your name? I don't know what's your name.
Sabiha. My name is Sabiha.
Ma'am name is Sabiha.
So we were done with this.
If
Do you
see,
remember?
like we have asked
And before I start,
Ma'am, you have not done full page.
Ma'am, can you mute
Ma'am, we have
everyone?
did this. We have did this.
okay, first of all, I want
Armstrong.
everybody to mute yourself.
Let's say
Ma'am, Armstrong did this.
duplicate.
Yes, Armstrong. Even
With
we are done
packing
with this,
data,
we'll be doing the next
one
one.
packing line and
See,
Ma'am,
we've done
can
this
you
page
hear
number
me?
65.
Ma'am,
Now
did
I'm
I
on
do
page
okay?
number
Can you hear
66.
so
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
Ma'am,
you.
we have not done the full page.
Same ID.
No, beta, you've done the full page. The entire page has been done.
Ma'am, mute everyone.
E and ma'am, we have not done the C and E one.
We've done all the sums. You know, we've done 4 sums,
We are
right?
not done
No,
P
ma'am,
and
we
Q.
not done. Ma'am, we
Okay,
have
just listen to me.
I'm adding.
If you've not done the E sum, it is has to be done the same way. There's
Everybody
nothing
on
new in
mute.
it.
B and C.
Ma'am, mute everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
But then how will I come to know if you want to speak if I mute everyone? Again, that will be a problem. And that is the only reason I don't mute. Because I do not understand what are your doubts. So that is what I want everybody. Let me see who all are not there on mute. Let me just shout at them. So quickly, everybody turn on mute. Quickly. Who all is not on mute? Abdullah is not on mute. Hinda is on mute. Everybody is only Abdullah who's not on mute. Abdullah, chalo quickly mute yourself. Now it's better. Okay. So for the ones who, if I have not done the 5th sum, the last 4 sums, it is the same method that you have to do. There's nothing new in it. You can do it by yourself because I've given you 4 examples to it. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
I'll
I
be
got
moving.
10 out of 10. Did I do it correct, ma'am?
Yes, you did it correctly. I checked yours.
Good morning.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
9.
Beta.
Ma'am,
Can
do
you
you
do
check?
it the E and C
Arre
part?
yaar.
Arre, one at a
Mute
time. You can
Ikra.
write in your chat box. See, listen. If you want to tell something, write it in the chat box instead of all talking together. Okay, there's something in the chat.
If you have you checked mine?
Yes, I think so. I've returned it to you also, na Hina?
Yes, 10 out of 10.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. And I think the Madhi had given and she had done one mistake in the one sum. So I told Madhi had to correct it also. Okay. Page number 65 is already been done, beta.
Ma'am, mute the.
Okay, chalo. Hinda, please mute yourself. I am just doing one sum from this grid and then we are moving on to the next page because I'm already done. Just for a quick revision, one sum and then we are moving on to the next page. Okay? I want everybody. Hinda, please
Ma'am,
mute
I know
yourself.
one route.
Hinda, please mute
Ma'am, I
yourself.
know one route.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
can you do the E and C
Arre,
part?
Ma'am, I know one route. I will go.
Okay. You can know, can you do it on the screen?
Ma'am,
Afan, is it possible for you to do on
can
the
you
screen?
write the answer
Yes,
of E
yes, I
and
can.
C part?
Okay, I'm doing. I'm
Ma'am,
doing.
can you write the answer of E and C part?
Very good. Afan has selected one
See, ma'am,
route.
I have drawn.
Yes, and you have to solve it and you have to show it also, na? Yes. Okay.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Now, Hina has selected one route. Afan has selected one more route. Okay. So Hina is doing it.
Ma'am, can you do the E and C part, please?
Yes, I am doing it.
Hey, my route is also same. Hina. See,
करेला तो कर रहे हो अरे नहीं ये करे दिख रहा है ये देखो ये नीचे वही कराइए
1 minute, ma'am.
Hinda,
Ma'am,
please
why are
mute
you not?
yourself. Perfect. I have to now mute everybody. Now it is going out of control. I'm muting everybody now. Now I don't want any. If you have any doubt, write it in the chat box. As simple as that. Wait, let me mute everybody then.
Ma'am, all the examples are same.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
don't let them unmute.
ma'am, me and Hina has the same answer. Me and
Yes.
Hina has the same answer.
सुहाई मतलब
पहले मटका था ना तो सुराही
Chalo. Everybody is now on mute. Mute on. So in case anybody has a query, you have to simply write it down in the chat box. Okay, my chat box is open. I will see. Okay. Chalo. So
Ma'am?
now, yes. If
All you have to send in chat.
if you have any query, you can send it in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please say.
Ma'am, can you write the ENC part?
Yes, I'm writing it right now. Okay, give me a minute. How do we go? If I let me select a color. We see the pink color has been selected by me. You can select it randomly. Okay, so it starts from 2, goes to 3, 5, 3, 5, 2, and finish. Okay, so what is the number that I'm going to write over here is, first, let me write using a text.
Ma'am, can I show you one?
Who wants to show?
Ma'am, you
Afan.
told only one sum. How we will do
From
that?
green.
66 page.
66 is yet to be done. Now
Me,
I'm
ma'am.
doing-
Afan. Green color.
Okay, now you're
Green
scribbling
color.
on the page. Don't scribble on the page, beta. How will I look the numbers?
Okay.
Okay, chalo, this is a route that has been selected by me. I'm quickly writing it over here.
also
Sorry.
like this.
It could be anything, Abdullah, anything. Okay, let me start with the first one. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6, right? Now 6 becomes your question. So what comes after 6? What is the next number? We've taken, where is my cursor? Yes, we've taken 2 and 3. Now what number am I going to take? I'll be taking 5.
5.
So you'll write 6.
Ma'am, like this.
You can write it in your notebook and show it to me. Now what are we going to write? 6 multiplied by 5. 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30.
30, ma'am.
Right? Now 30 becomes your question. Now what are you going to do? 30. Now see, everybody scribble and I'm not able to see the questions only. Don't scribble on the page. If you know the route, write it down in your notebook and show it to me. Okay. After 5, what is the next number? What is this number? Is this 5
Two,
only,
ma'am.
na?
No. 3, ma'am. There is 3.
3. Okay. So I'm going to multiply 30 by 3. Syed, are you there?
Yes, last request that
Mute
was only.
everybody.
Ma'am, 30 by
Yes.
3 is 60.
30 by 3 is 60. You're dreaming. And now 90 becomes my question. And 90 multiplied by 5.
Oh, ma'am, sorry.
Yes.
Ma'am, 30 by 260. Why have you written 3?
Because here the number is 3 now. What is the number? The number is 3. Let me clear and let me see. It's 3, beta. See, the entire thing I've erased.
Oh.
Even I'm gone mad now. Chalo, let me do it once again.
30 plus 30 is 90.
If this is a root, so what am I going to write? 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. Then what am I going to write? 6 multiplied by
5.
5 is equals to 30. Then I'm going to write 30 will multiply by what number?
2.
30 multiplied by 2. See, what is my root?
Ma'am, you are doing starting point till end point.
Yes, from the starting point and end point. So first number is 2, 3, 5 and again 2. I've already taken 2, 3 and 5. So what is the last number that is left? Now only 2 is left. So what will I write? 30 multiplied by 2 is equals to, what is 30 multiplied by 2?
60, ma'am. 60.
Understood? So you can select any root of your choice. This is the root that I have selected, 2, 3, 5 and 2. What will I do? Mute yourself, everybody. Don't compel me to mute you. You all are big kids. You should know how to behave when you attend an online lecture. Okay, so everybody, if you've noted it down, turn on your cameras, show it to me. What have you written in your book? Chalo, quickly. Turn on your cameras, Armstrong and Newton. Show me your book. Yes, very good, Ikra. I can see Ikra's book. What about others? Bilal.
Ma'am, we have wrote this. Look, ma'am.
Yes, Vita,
Look.
we've done this. Ikra wanted me to do it again. Yes, yes. I can see. Very good.
Ma'am, were you doing this lesson because the others forgot to do it?
Forgot to do it as in?
Were you doing this lesson for the ones who had forgot to do this?
Because Ikra wanted me to do it again, so I just did one sum for her, and now I'll quickly move on to the next page. Okay. Chalo, now I'm moving on to the next page since we're already done with this page.
Ma'am, can you do the E part? You are not writing the E part.
Beta, it is the same thing. You have to do it by yourself. That is your homework. Same thing has to be done. Okay. Select any root of your choice and do it. Chalo. Find a root from the start to the finish of this track. Multiply the numbers as you move across the square. Look at the example. See, one root has been selected for you. Everybody turn on your cameras and put yourself on mute. See, one has been done from you. See, 13. This is a root that has been selected. Let me just highlight it. See, this is a root that has been selected. So what did they do? They first multiplied 13 by 3. The answer is
13 by 3.
Yes.
13.
So the answer becomes 39.
13 by
Now
3.
39 becomes your question. What is the next number after 3? The next number is 10.
10.
So 39 multiplied by 10 is equals to
10.
390. Right?
390.
Now
390
390
multiplied
becomes
by
your
2.
question. Yes, 390 multiplied by 2.
Multiply by
It
2,
becomes
780.
80. So find the different roots, color them with different colors and write each multiplication sum below. So we are going to do this again. Chalo, let me select. Okay. But you have to select with the start thing only. Okay. Not any random number. Should start with your start button only.
अभी बोले आप पे होता है अभी बोलते 10 मिनट पे होता है
I cannot.
Chalo, I am making one more root.
I have make one root. Can you?
Yes. She selected one root. 13.
Ma'am, I made my 3 roots.
Great. Chalo, so solve it together with me. What is a root? There is a yellow color
390
root.
multiplied, ma'am, 390 multiplied by 2 is 780.
390 multiplied by 2. Maybe I have to just check because even I'm not very sure. So let me do it
Yes,
from the
ma'am.
start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let me do it.
Ma'am, 15 by 3.
Okay. 15. What is a root? If there are so many roots, how will I understand? Instead of scribbling on this,
Ma'am, first you will do that 13 by 3.
Ma'am, first is 13 by 3.
I'm selecting the root. Nobody will write on the screen, or else I'll stop everybody from annotating. Let me do.
Ma'am, there are 3 roots.
Okay, this is a root that has been selected. So first what I'll do, 13 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good.
Right here.
13 multiplied by 3. What is the answer?
39.
39. Very good.
39, ma'am.
39.
Now 39
becomes your.
multiplied by 5. 39
Very good.
multiplied
What is
by
answer? Quickly multiply and let me know.
Ma'am, 13 multiplied by 5.
39 multiplied by 5.
5, yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Okay, 16.
Ma'am, wait.
39 multiplied by 5.
Yes.
39 multiplied by 5.
5
Okay.
9s are
150,
45.
45.
195, ma'am.
195.
195, yes.
Yes, 195. Perfect. Everybody note it down along with me so that you can show it to me once I'm done. Now 195
Yes,
becomes
ma'am,
your
done.
question.
Ma'am, now the 195 divided by
Multiply by 2.
3. Multiplied by 2, yes, ma'am.
Look at the root that I've selected.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer? Is the answer 390?
Yes.
Multiply and show it to me. You have to multiply. If I give
195
you this
divided
sum,
by 2.
not divide, it is multiply.
Ma'am is equals 39. No, ma'am. Not
390.
39, 390.
Simple. I will do 2, 3 sums and rest of the sums you have to do it by yourself. I will not do each and every sum. Now you're big girls and big boys.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Ma'am, now 390 divided by 15.
why you're dividing? You're done. See what is my root? 13 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
finish.
Now we are taking the next root. 15
Chalo,
divided by
let
15
me take one
multiplied
more
by
root.
3. 15 multiplied by 3.
Now this is a root. Okay. Chalo, I'm doing it over here.
Ma'am, 15 multiplied by 3 in the
Yes,
D1.
15. What is 15 3s are Mathur? 15 multiplied by 3. 15 multiplied by Mathur. Tell me the answer. 15 3s are. You can multiply and let me know.
25.
No. What is 15 multiplied by 3?
45.
Very good. Okay. Now 45 becomes my
Ma'am, now,
question.
ma'am, 45 divided by 10.
Not divide in that, it is multiply. Because when you tell wrong, you'll write wrong.
Yes, ma'am, 45.
Multiply by how much?
10, ma'am.
10. What is the answer, Hinda?
Ma'am, the answer.
And Hinda, I have not received your homework. I have given a homework for this sum, but I
Ma'am,
have not
450.
received
Ma'am,
your homework.
450. 450.
Yes. Hinda, where is your homework?
What, ma'am?
Your homework has been given, but I have not received your homework.
Ma'am, I gave it.
Okay. Now 450 becomes your question. Musa, what is the next number after 450? With what number will I multiply now, Musa? Musa.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
450
Ma'am,
divided multiplied by 2.
Let Musa speak. Yes, everyone, Musa over here. Who's Musa? Let Musa speak. Musa.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand.
Okay, I'll explain it to you once. Can you see this pink line, Musa, over here? Can you see this pink
Yes,
line?
ma'am.
Okay, what am I going to do?
Yes.
First, 15 multiply by 3. What will I do? 15 multiply by 3. What is the
Ma'am,
answer over
450
here?
multiplied by 2, ma'am.
Everybody will stay quiet.
I say?
Everybody will stay quiet. Let me speak. 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. Okay, Musa? Is this simple up till here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now 45 becomes your question. You're just supposed to copy 45 over and write it over here. Okay. We've already selected 15 and 3, right? So what is the next number that I'm going to select, Musa?
10.
10. So what will I do? Beside 45, I will multiply it by 10. So 45
10.
multiplied by 10 will become 450.
Yes.
Okay, what am I going to do? I'm simply copy 450 over here and write it over here. Okay. See, now after 10, what is the number? Where does my root go? 2. So what is the number that I'm going to write over here is? 2. The number is, see, because I've taken 15, I've taken 3, I've taken 10. So what is the number that is left? 2 has been? Yes. So I'll be writing 2 over here.
Ma'am,
So Musa,
400
quickly multiply 450 by 2 and let me know what is the answer, Musa.
900.
Very good. Now, did you understand, Musa?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain it to you once again. Yes, Ikra, what is your doubt? Please ask me.
Ma'am, 3 multiplied by 5 also, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Even you can do it that way also. See, Musa, I am explaining it to everybody. Hamza, pay attention. Hamza, see, what is my root? Musa, you also pay attention. Sayyad and everybody else who's weak in maths, just pay attention. 15, 3.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Then there might be some network problem on your end because everybody else can see the screen. Okay.
Ma'am, in the B1, can I write the answer of that one?
No,
3
I will do.
multiplied
You
by-
write it in your book and show it to me on the screen. Chalo.
Okay, ma'am.
15, 3, 10 and 2. This is the root. Okay, so what will I do? Hamza, look at the screen. 15 multiplied by 3. 15 multiplied by 3. The answer becomes 45. What will I do? I will copy 45 over here. Now after 3, what is the number? The number is 10. So I will write 10 over here. What is 45 multiplied by 10? It is 450. It is 450. I'll simply copy and I will write it over here. Everybody can see on the screen.
No, ma'am.
Now I've already taken 10.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll take 2. So what is 450 multiplied by 2? The answer is 900. Simple. Obada, are you understanding it?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's easy
ma'am.
peasy lemon squeezy.
Nice. Chalo, I'm selecting one more root now. Let me select it with some other color so that it does not create confusion. Okay. Now, Sayyad, are you there, Sayyad?
Ma'am, can you take 13?
I've taken 13. I've selected the root. 13, 3, 10 and 2. Okay. Where is Sayyad? I cannot see Sayyad. Mariam, are you there? Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Fatafat turn on your camera and now tell me what number am I supposed to write over here? Mariam, what will I write?
Where, ma'am?
Now the sum will start. See, this is the root of Mariam. 13, 3, 10 and 2. Okay, so how will I write? What is the first number that I have to write on the screen, Mariam?
Ma'am, 13.
Yes, 13 multiplied by what number?
3.
Very good. 13 multiplied by 3. Everybody do it with me. Write it in your notebooks. Mariam, what is 13 multiplied by 3?
Ma'am, 9.
Excuse me, ma'am. We
Yes.
have to write in the
Ma'am, 39.
part, no?
You can
Ma'am, we
write
have
it in
to
any
write
part.
in
That
the
is
B part.
fine. You can write in B part also. 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. Okay, Mariam. Now, what am I supposed to write over here, Mariam?
Where, ma'am?
What will I write now?
39.
Very good. And 39 will be again multiplied by what number, Mariam?
5.
10. No, Mariam, where does the line go? Look at the screen. The red part. Can you see this? 13 and 3. What is the next part,
Ma'am,
beta?
3. Ma'am, 3.
3 has been done. 13 multiplied by 3 has been done. Now you have to multiply it by 10.
10.
Yes. So 39
Ma'am.
multiplied by 10.
We have done this.
Yes. It is a quick revision for the ones who've already done it.
No, ma'am.
So what is 39 multiplied by 10.
Why won't you, ma'am? Why do you not write the B and C and E?
Two.
Writing B, C and E also.
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
they
you
are
are not.
telling over here to
Ma'am,
find 5
can
different
we,
roots, but they have
ma'am?
only given us 3 in this
Ma'am.
puzzle, ma'am.
Shut up.
What is
Ma'am,
Bilal?
can
Ma'am, they are telling us to find 5 different roots, but they have only given 3 over here in this block, ma'am.
Yes, yes. It can be repetitive.
I
also,
can
that's
do one
fine.
route. Ma'am, I can do one route. See.
ma'am, can we
Chalo, quickly,
do
Afan, do it
three?
in your book and show me. No scribbling on the screen. How will I see my question if
they
you
are
all scribble
scribbling.
on
I
my
am not.
screen?
They are scribbling. I am not.
Hinda,
Hinda is scribbling.
Hinda,
Ma'am,
Madiha,
I am
Mohammed,
just telling,
no
can we
scribbling on the
do,
screen. Okay, Mariam, bear with me.
ma'am, can we do, ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am, can we do three and this 3, 10 and 2?
I will do one more route. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hina, you cannot do that. You have to start from the start one only. You cannot take a number from
Ma'am,
middle.
can I do?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
do?
ma'am.
Okay, there is one more thing. Let me complete the sum and then we'll do one more sum. Okay, we'll do B and C. Are no scribbling on the screen, beta. Do it in your notebook
Yeah.
if you want to do. Okay, Mariam, bear with me. Mariam, pay attention over here.
Ma'am, can I write in book?
Yes,
See, 13, we did 13 multiplied by
Ma'am,
3.
can I write in book?
Yes, you can write it in your book. And then we multiplied it by 10. Okay, we got 390. Now what are we going to do?
Yes,
We'll be
ma'am.
multiplying 390 by 2. Right? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just doing it over here so that I don't have to scroll my screen or else all my numbers will come down. 390 by 2. What is 390 by 2? Quickly multiply and let me know.
Come in exam.
Yes, this can come in your exam. The numbers will be changed, but the pattern will be same. 390 multiply by 2. What is the answer? Who knows the answer? Hina, Bilal, Madiha, Ikra, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 780.
Ma'am, can I say?
Very good.
Ma'am,
780.
780. I hope everybody has understood this. I know this is a little tricky, but once you understand, it becomes easy peasy.
Ma'am, how many examples we have? 3 or 4?
I have done 3 sums up till yet. You have to do 5 different solutions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is the E one which you have write down.
Yes, this is the E one. Now I will do B and C also. Don't worry. Okay. Now I'm scrolling my screen a little bit. Can I erase this?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I am
So
writing.
quickly note it down then because now I have to scroll my screen. Okay, what am I going to do? I'll erase the A part
Yes, ma'am.
because A part has been
Now we
done.
have to do B and C part.
Yes, we'll be
in
doing
our
B and
own.
C. Okay. Now I'm doing B. Let me select one color. Okay. What is the new route over here? Now I'm selecting a new route. Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes. Who will tell me?
we have.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
We have to write it.
Ma'am, now you
Sorry?
can erase it.
In any part we have to write it. Yes.
Yes, but the thing is, you have to either start from 15 or from 13. You should start from the start button only. You cannot select any other number from the middle. No, Hina. Yes, Hina, you're right. You can do it 15, 3, 10, and 2, and then finish. Either start with
Yes, ma'am.
13 or start with 15. Okay? See, the
Ma'am,
Hina
I am
has
doing with
selected this
15
route.
because.
Ma'am, what is the B1? B and
I'm doing.
Ma'am,
C.
tell
Now
now what you are
see,
telling.
no scribbling on the screen, Mohammed. See, this is the route now I have selected, okay? 15 multiply by 3, 10 and 2. Very good. Chalo. Now this is the B part. Huh? Ikra, note it down. 15 multiply.
We can know where we have written.
15 multiply by 3. What is 15 multiply by 3, Hinda? Hinda. It's already 36.
45, 45, 45,
45.
45.
45. 45.
Perfect. What happens? Now 45 becomes the answer. Musa, are you understanding now, Musa?
Ma'am, question.
Ma'am, 45 becomes a question.
Yes, sorry. Yes, fine. Now 45 becomes a question. I've already multiplied 15 by 3. So what will I do? Now I'll multiply it by 10.
10.
45 multiply by 10.
Equals 450. Ma'am, 450.
Yes, then that
Ma'am, it
becomes
equals 450. 450.
450 will become the question.
now 450 will become the
ma'am.
question. Afan, I hope you're understanding, Afan.
Ma'am, now we have to do
Yes,
the
I am
450 multiplied by 2.
Izan, are you understanding, Izan?
Ma'am, is
Perfect.
this like a mental math calculation because
Yes.
we were
Yes, yes.
we were giving. Oh
Now
yes.
450 will be multiplied by 2. Bilal, tell me the
2.
answer.
It is
What is 450 multiplied by 2?
900.
900.
900.
Very good.
Ma'am, what if
Ma'am,
we did 150
Ma'am,
divide by
the biggest possible number is 900 and the smallest possible number is 39.
now can I show?
Ma'am, 999.
The biggest possible number is 900 and the smallest number is 39, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have done, listen everybody, I have done four sums. The fifth sum is your homework and has to be done by yourself.
Ma'am, I have done
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
I also have done.
Very good, very good. So, Ikra, listen to me. See, now I don't want to
Ma'am,
hear,
what's the
ma'am, you've
C1?
not done the E part. I have done A,
C1?
B, C and D. One sum is left, but that is your homework. You're supposed to do it by yourself, and I'm creating an assignment on this, and you're supposed to attach the pictures. Okay? Everybody, Madiha, Nida, Zoeb, I hope everybody is listening to me. I have done 4
Yes,
sums,
Yes,
and one sum has to be done by you. That is your homework. Submit all the 5 sums in the Google Classroom. I'll be creating an assignment today. Chalo.
Ma'am,
Bye.
what do we have to write in the C1?
You have to do one more sum from your end, beta.
Ma'am, in the C1, what do we write?
You have to do one more sum in the C1. Select any root by yourself, solve and write.
Ma'am, can you tell?
You want me to tell the
No,
root?
that is homework.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No.
But that is your homework, na? Do it yourself. Chalo.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Homework.
Yeah, that is homework. I will not tell. No scribbling on the screen. Chalo.
Yes.
Chalo. Go. Now it's time to leave. Everybody, I hope everybody has understood this.
Please,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
route can you select and give us so that we can
Bye,
write the
ma'am.
homework?
Now you can select it by
ma'am.
yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay? Chalo. Bye, Musa. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.